Good evening to each and every one of you, and again a very lovely and warm-hearted evening to my respected sir. Firstly, I would like to pay my precious thanks for giving me this such a golden opportunity to speak here in front of you all. My name is Arjun Singh, and today my topic is Right to Education Act, known as RT Act 2009. So the first thing that came in my mind when I heard this right is that एक छात्र के प्रति शिक्षा का अधिकार in Hindi sense. So it comes under the section 21A of which was added to the 86th Amendment Act of 2002. Basically, but it come into effect on 1 April 2010. It came into effect on 1 April 2010. It states that every children of ages 6 to 14 have the fundamental right to free and basic education. According to a report of UNESCO, there are 159 countries who provide guaranteed and free education to the children of age 19 and above as per their criteria, and India is also a part of that list. Now, I would like to tell you about some disadvantages and advantages of this act, right to education, as I thought it should be, according to my opinion. Firstly, I will talk about some disadvantages of it. It conducts discrimination among the parents and the children who belong to economical weaker section and disadvantages group. In several places, there might be resistance to formal education, especially for girls. Last month, I read a novel in which it is written that around 1.6 million girls even don't get a chance to go to school and study. Also, there are lack of chances in government school. Also, people have to pay for the application or they have to donate fee for the admission. Now I would like to tell you about some advantages of it. So it's the main and first advantage is that it provides each and every child a chance to go to school and study regardless for their background. Education can lift up the people from poverty by improving their economical prospect, helps in people are getting a better job by giving them necessary skills and knowledge, promote social equality by giving each and everyone the same educational opportunities. Nowadays, government has started with the various policies and schemes like Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Also, government has improved the condition of the government school. Midday meals are there. Free books were given to the students. Free dresses were given to the students. So at last, I would like to concern you that it is our right. We should have it, and education is the most important thing in the world. And one person, if one person should be educated, it will become a resource for our country, and it will work a very good well-being of our country. It will become a well-being of our country and will provide a lots of advantage to our country in many fields like economy and literate lit, and literate population and literate people. So
Okay,
any
what do you think is quality education is being provided under the sec? Means quality education is being provided, being imparted, being given to the students under the sect.
when it came into effect, that then I think that the quality of education should not be provided because as I also tell you a disadvantage that there are lack of confidence chances in government.
Discrimination. You said that there are disadvantages of RTE, and you said that there is a discrimination between the rich people and the poor people. Those are rich, poor people, they get admission under this act. In private schools, especially, the school authority, school teachers, school staff, they discriminate between the rich people and the poor people. So it is increasing discrimination
Yes, sir, it is
in the private schools.
sir,
And another thing you said that there are so many girls, those don't go to schools.
don't even
You read something in novel.
get chance to they
But
one.
this act is providing right and chance and opportunity to go to school for each child. Now each child, whether he is girl or she is a girl or he is a boy, they have a fundamental right to go to school. So why do girls they are not going to school?
Due
This act is not stopping them to go to school. This act is enabling them to go to school.
some girls,
Another thing is that, what do you think? In government schools, so many government schools are running under RT, and the student teacher ratio was also maintained. So many new teachers were appointed under RT. So, is the quality education is being provided in the government school or not, or in the private school? What do you think right now?
I think the quality of education is provided in both the schools, government as well as private. But there are lack of chances in government school, as the teacher, as in government,
Yeah, yeah.
as in government school, as you are also government teacher.
Okay.
You said to us that there are only one fan in the whole class, and there are not even a proper board to write. So that also led to a quality of education, that how they are providing in private schools. Good smart boards are there, libraries are there, chemistry lab, bio lab, science lab are also there. A good playground is also. If they in private school, especially children gets chance to go ahead, but in government school also, but chances are very few and low. So that's the opinion of mine.
What do you think? If you go to rural areas, especially in the backward areas of country, so many states are backward, like Bihar, like East UP, like Bundelkhand. These are the backward region of our country. If you go there, people don't send their children in the schools. The schools are open, teachers are there in the school, but students don't go. They are playing whole day at their home. Why?
They depends on on the mentality of their parents. Some girls are not sent to school due to some cultural and custom barriers, like girls don't go to school, they used to work at homes. They they get they are they get they make them marry in very early ages. Also the boys who want to go to school, they to in Bihar, that's a very laggard area basically. So the children who are interested, they even don't go to school due to their parents bad mentality. They are not aware of this act. If they are also illiterate, so they have a knowledge of this act, what is happening in the world. And if some of them are really doing bad activities such as chewing gutka and all this, also they think that there are no scope in going to school. They scope in doing badmashi or like this, being a gangster. They used to prefer more going to school, but they don't know the value of education, as their parents are also not literate. If they are literate, so they will teach their student that education is the most important thing in the world. Education will help you to get anything in the world. It will also help in achieving anything in the world. If you want to be something in the world, you want to make yourself as make yourself a brand, make yourself literate, so you have to go to school. It will also help in our country's progress. The lots of you will go to school, the lots of you will join the school. It will also help for our family background. Our family background will be risen up due to your mentality should change. And the new youth who will come, you will also be literate, so you will also give them the good ideas and good opportunities. So
Yes,
that's the.
anybody has any question? No one? Okay, now you can finish up your speech.
So thank you very much for listening very carefully and patiently. Have a nice day ahead.